Imagine a world where every bite you take not only delights your palate but also supports your local community and reduces your carbon footprint. Welcome to the concept of hyperlocal cooking. Today, we embark on an exciting culinary journey to create a gourmet meal using only ingredients sourced within a 5-mile radius. Join us as we explore local farms, markets, and artisanal producers to curate a dish that celebrates the flavors of our community. Let's begin. Scene 1. Introducing hyperlocal cooking. Hyperlocal cooking emphasizes the importance of sourcing ingredients from nearby farms and markets, promoting sustainability, community support, and freshness. By limiting ourselves to a 5-mile radius, we not only enhance the quality of our meals but also foster relationships with local farmers and producers. As we delve into this experience, we will not only uncover the vibrant flavors of our surroundings but also learn about the hard work and dedication that goes into cultivating these ingredients. Scene 2. Visiting local farms. Our first stop is Sunny Acres Farm, renowned for its organic vegetables and ethically raised livestock. Let's speak with the farmer, Sarah, and discover what's in season. Hi there. Here at Sunny Acres, they grow a variety of seasonal produce. Right now, they have heirloom tomatoes, zucchini, and fresh basil. They also raise free-range chickens, providing farm-fresh eggs. Everything you see is grown with love and care. We will certainly be using your heirloom tomatoes and fresh basil for our dish today. Scene 3. Exploring the market. Now, let's head to the local farmers market, where we'll find additional ingredients to complement our meal. We can discover artisanal cheeses, fresh bread, and more. At this stall, we find artisan cheeses crafted just a few miles away. Their cheeses are made from the milk of our grass-fed cows. Today, they recommend their aged cheddar. It pairs beautifully with fresh tomatoes and basil. So we'll take a block of that aged cheddar. Scene 4. Final ingredients. Now, let's not forget about our carbohydrate companion. Freshly baked bread is a staple in any gourmet meal. Cut to the baker, who greets the camera with a warm smile. Their sourdough is made with locally sourced flour and a long fermentation process, resulting in a tangy flavor and crusty texture. Perfect. We'll add a loaf of your sourdough to our basket. Scene 5. Cooking demonstration. Now that we have sourced our ingredients, a selection of heirloom tomatoes, fresh basil, aged cheddar, and sourdough bread, let's begin our cooking demonstration. Today, we'll be preparing a caprese-inspired bruschetta. First, we'll start by slicing the sourdough into thick pieces and toasting them to golden perfection. The crunch will provide a delightful contrast to our soft toppings. While our bread is toasting, let's prepare our toppings. We'll dice the heirloom tomatoes and mix them with fresh basil, a pinch of salt, and a drizzle of local olive oil. The vibrant colors and fresh aromas are already tantalizing our senses. Finally, we'll shave the aged cheddar to add a rich, creamy element to our bruschetta. Now, it's time to assemble our creation. We'll spoon the tomato and basil mixture generously over our toasted sourdough and finish it off with the shaved cheddar on top. A sprinkle of pepper, and voila! Our gourmet hyperlocal bruschetta is complete. Scene 6. Tasting and reflection. It's time for the moment we've all been waiting for, the taste test. Let's savor the flavors of our locally sourced ingredients. The freshness of the heirloom tomatoes, the aromatic basil, and the creamy cheddar all harmonize beautifully, while the crunch of the toasted sourdough elevates the dish to gourmet status. This is not just a meal, it's a celebration of our local community. Conclusion: hyperlocal cooking not only nourishes our bodies but also nourishes our communities. By sourcing ingredients within a 5-mile radius, we contribute to a more sustainable food system, support local farmers, and enjoy the freshest flavors available. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. We encourage you to explore your local farms and markets, try hyperlocal cooking, and discover the incredible flavors waiting in your backyard. Until next time, happy cooking! Subscribe for more culinary adventures.